Hi guys, here we have a little Vauxhall Corsa 2001 on a 51 plate in mint metallic green. Could do with a tyre on the front, bit of a blow on the exhaust. You can hear the cam chain is a bit rattly. On the plus point, it's MOT till the end of March next year. Cheap car to run. Bit of a damage on the sill there. Other than that, amazingly, quite a solid little car. Kind of ripping the seat there. Other than that, very clean. It's got a CD player by the Ministry of Sound. Remote central locking with 2 keys. Little cheapy, spares or repairs. You'll be asked to trailer the car away. If you don't, you'll be asked to sign a disclaimer because we've not checked the car for roadworthiness. No engine management lights or warning lights on. So it seems to drive all well and good and got a long test on it. My name is Mike Wells. My telephone number is 0777 5644 628. Please call before travelling. I'm not always on site. It's 24.5 degrees today and it is bleeding red hot. Give us a call if it's of interest. Cheers then.